Hello students, today I will discuss hidden goodwill. How will you calculate hidden goodwill? I am going to discuss it. Hidden goodwill. This is problem. Okay, this is problem. Amal, Vicky and Chandu are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 1:2:3. Okay, Chandu retires and his capital after making adjustment for reserve and gain profits on revaluation is 2,20,000. Amal and Vicky agreed to pay to 2,50,000 in full settlement of his claim. Clear? Past journal entries for the treatment of goodwill if new profit sharing ratio is decided at 1:3. It means what? There are three partners. Three partners is given. Old ratio is given, and new ratio is 1:3. 1:3. Okay, and 2 revaluation amount is given 2,20,000 and agreed to pay full settlement 2,50,000 is given. Each and every information are given. How will you solve this problem? I am going to discuss it. Please see this problem and take the screenshot of this problem. Okay, please take the screenshot and I am going to solve this problem. Okay, and don't forget to share and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it. I am going to discuss hidden goodwill. How will you calculate hidden goodwill? I am going to discuss it. Please see the solution. Hidden goodwill. Okay. The amount agreed to be paid. Amount agreed to be paid in full settlement. Full amount agreed to be paid in full settlement is equal to 2,50,000. How much? Rupees 2,50,000. Clear? I think you can see it. Amount agreed to be paid in full settlement 2,50,000 less Chandu's capital after all adjustment. How much? 2,20,000. Information already given. Okay, deduct it, then you will get 30,000. 30,000 is what? Chandu's share of goodwill. It is hidden goodwill. Hidden goodwill. Whose hidden goodwill? Whose hidden goodwill? This is Chandu's share of goodwill. Share of goodwill. Whose? Chandu's. Clear? Now I am going to draw a journal entries. What is journal? How will you pass the journal? I am going to discuss. You know very well the format of journal: date, particulars, LF, debit, rupees, and credit. Clear? You know very well the format, but you cannot you cannot pass the journal entries. At first you will have to calculation of gaining ratio. Okay, Amal's capital, account debit, Amal's capital account debit, Vicky's capital account debit to Chandu's capital, clear, to Chandu's capital. What will be the amount? You will have to find out it. Please see it. How will you find out the amount? I am going to tell you. Calculation of gaining ratio. Okay, calculation of gaining ratio. Clear? So gain of a partner is equal to new share minus old share. Amal gain is equal to 1/4 minus 1/6 is equal to 1/12. Vicky gain is equal to 3/4 minus 2/6 is equal to 5/2. Clear? Then thus gaining ratio of Amal and Vicky, gaining ratio of Amal and Vicky is equal to 1:5. Is equal to 1:5. Clear? The 1/4 minus 1/6 is equal to 1/12. 3/4 minus 2/6 is equal to 5/12. Okay, it means 1 and this is 5. 1:5. Now come in the journal entries. What will the amount? 1:5. This means what? Total is 30,000. One part of 30,000 is 5,000 and remaining 25,000. Clear? And to Chandu's capital 30,000. Okay, right. So you will write the narration also. Being Chandu's share of goodwill adjusted to the capital accounts of Amal and Vicky in their gaining ratio of 1:5. Okay, clear? So in this video you knew how to pass hidden goodwill. Okay, how to pass hidden goodwill. And thanks for watching this video.